na kukula hata.
Jatend jotij piny owacho Felix Koskei ogolo siem ne jotij sirkal mibiro yudi koda keth mag mibadhi kowacho ni kindegi koro bedo machuok. Kanolose mbalariany ma Machakos e nyasi machako ayanga okang' mar 4 kod 5 e chenro mar Last Miles County Connectivity Program, Koskei noyango ni giseketo yore mag rieko mabiro chiwo weche e wi jatij sirkal moro amora man koda mibadhi. Koskei geno ni chenro mar Last Miles County Connectivity Program biro chiwo thuolo mag tich ne rowere monywako koda kamago ma bende osedonjo e tiyo kod yedhe mamero ji nikech koso tich mikelo kod mibadhi.
And Ministry of Education leverage on technology and let our students across schools to benefit from even few teachers, few competent teachers teaching in specific schools to teach the entire country. They can even teach a county. They can even teach the entire country a particular subject at the same time. It is possible. So that we can even have some savings that we can invest in other sectors that requires huge capital to be invested in.
We have already rolled out into the market. The President launched the cheap smartphones 1 week ago to facilitate meaningful and inclusive connectivity so that we can have cheap smartphones in the hands of all Kenyans. But overall, let me say one thing, that the purpose of doing all this is to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in government. Efficiency in service delivery. Efficiency in the sense that we should reduce the cost of operations in government. Effectiveness within the context of service delivery to the people. All Kenyans moving forward will be able to consume government services from the comfort of wherever they are